Hi everyone, welcome to my channel JP Lottery. So friends, in this video, I saw Yuga 49 prediction for Tuesday 13 January 2026. Today is a daily lotto single prediction numbers. Number 5, number 10, number 14, number 26, number 31. Today is a daily lotto single prediction number. Repeat number 5, number 10, number 14, number 26, number 31. Now yesterday lotto second prediction numbers. Number 6, number 7, number 19, number 30, number 32. Today yesterday lotto second prediction number. Repeat number 6, number 7, number 19, number 30, number 42. So friends, complete today. Lunch time and tea time. Complete today South Africa daily lotto prediction number. So friends, like and comment this video.